Welcome friends, today in this live stream we will be building a YouTube live chat clone. You can see that this is the live chat window. So on youtube.com you have seen these live streams happening and the messages following from top to bottom. So this will not be a back-end application, this will only be a front-end application. I will just be showing you how to design this awesome little super live chat window with super pinned messages also. This is the functionality. You can also highlight some super chat messages. Someone has sent you super chat. You can highlight a specific message by adding a border to it and also floating it inside the window so that other users can also see that message for a considerable amount of time. So we will try to replicate this design here. You will now see this is the two drop down menus which is also available. You can even report the block the user as well. And this is the channel icon, this is the channel username, this is the actual content which is published by the user, this is the time, this is the date, and basically it's a chat window. So if the chat messages go up, the scroll bar will automatically scroll down. So this is a send button, you can see that. So this is the background color. You can change this background color to any color of your choice. So if you want to change it to you can now see these are the background colors that we are using for this. You can even customize this accordingly to whichever color that you want to do. It is totally up to you. You can match the YouTube colors, totally up to you which color you want to use. So and this is the, you can now see any color you can use here, totally up to you. So you can see that you can just change to any color system, any color code system, depending upon if you're developing any sort of application. You can choose your own colors, whichever colors you want to choose. You can now see you can change it to white as well, totally up to you, whichever color that you want to choose. You can see here. So you can now see. So we will try to replicate this awesome live chat window, guys, with all these features: super chat, pinned message features. Someone has given you super chat, you want to highlight that message, you will add this border and that message will be floated right here. If you scroll down on the messages, you will now see. So so obviously this is not a back-end application, this is only a front-end design. So you will be able to learn how to design these interfaces. So we will be using Flexbox for doing this, and this will be built using Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap 5, as you all know, it's a very front-end framework. It's fully responsive, this chat window, guys, so it will only also work on mobile and tablet devices as well. So Bootstrap latest version is 5 here, you can now see. If you now want to resize this window here, you will also able to resize it like this, and still this window, chat window, will still work. You can now see how efficiently and responsive this live chat window is. You can now see it is fully responsive in all the devices, mobile, tablet, and PC. So let's start building this clone, guys. So I have given all the source code in the description of this live stream. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the description of this live stream, and this is a blog post. So index.html file and style.css file is given here. So just copy paste all the source code, and now let's start building this. So we will now make it side by side so that you can clearly see what we are building here. So I will create a new file which is chat.html. So basically, let me include all the dependencies for which we will need for this. So now you can see that, guys, we have included this link tag here. This is for font awesome. This will include all the icons which we will need for this application. This is bootstrap min.css which we have included. Then we have included also jQuery is also required for this, and bootstrap min.js, this is also required, and this is popper.js. So these three CDNs you need to copy paste it. So here we will be basically creating a file here which will be style.css. So right here in the root directory we will make style.css. So this will hold all the style sheet for us. So inside chat.html, guys, we will write the HTML here. So the very first thing we will do is that we will have a section tag. So inside this parent section tag we will have different sort of elements that will go inside this live chat window. So we will style step by step. So this section will have a class of main wrapper, and inside this we will have the first class which is CGL live chat, and inside this we will have a chat wrapper, and inside this we will have the chat title. So here you can just change the title to YouTube live chat. That's it. So if you now open this with live server, you'd see something on the screen here, YouTube live chat. So after this, guys, we need to simply, after this chat title, chat view, chat item, and the first item here we will be giving a class of dflex. So this is a bootstrap class, guys, as you all know, d and flex. So this is all responsive classes, and here we will have a simple image which I'm using this image from the internet. You can use any image of your choice. Basically it's a logo. If you refresh it now, so you will see this big logo here, guys. You can see that this is the logo. This is a channel logo that you can see here inside live chat window. So it is looking quite big, so we need to resize it accordingly. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So after this, what we need to do is that basically we will have this basically after this image on the next line, we need to show the username, actual message, date and time. So we would wrap this all this information in which have a class padding1, and inside this we will have dflex align items in the end, and here we will be having sender name class, and here we will be saying the username. So basically any username you can say. Let me choose here coding section. You can also highlight the admin message as well, admin section inside. So after this we will have another class for chat time. So here you can embed the time and the date of the message. So obviously if you are building a full stack application, this will all be coming from the database. So basically this is just the UI that I'm showing you. And also if you see here in the live chat, there is also two buttons given to you in order to you can see on the this is floating in the right direction. So if you just click these buttons, these icons, two options you get: either you can report this user or block this comment. So now to use this, it's very simple. We will float it on the right hand side. So after this div is over, after this we will have another class of which will be floating in the right direction, and here we will be having a button, and so basically button type is button, and here we will be having the class which is drop down button tr and padding 2. So we need to attach this attribute, guys, which is, as this is a drop down button, so these three attributes are very much required for this, which is data toggle is drop down, area has pop up true, area expanded false. And then basically we will be showing the font awesome icon. So this is simply a icon, three dots icon. If you click that icon, you will able to see the drop down menu. So here we will show these two options of block and report after this button. So you can see we have given this class drop down menu. Each anchor tag has a class of drop down item, report and block. That's it. So after this we will, after this section is over, we will have the actual message that the user has typed. So this will have its own class which is chat text, and inside this you will show the message whichever user has written inside the input field. That's it. So this complete one section, guys. So basically you will now see 1 2 3. So this completes this section, which is chat item. So this is one chat item here. So now basically we need to style this. We will go step by step. So inside this we have also need to write the CSS. So basically, guys, first of all we will import this Google font, which is this in the Madurai. You can import any font of your choice. Totally depends upon you which font you like to import. So basically now we will style it. So look, just we let me make it side by side so you can clearly see what is happening. So first of all, guys, we will target all the elements which is by the selector. We will remove the padding and also the margin. So now you will see all the padding and the margins are gone. Now we will target the main wrapper class, which is a section tag, and here we will first of all change the background color to this color, which is 080 A0B. So you can change it to any color of your choice depending upon you, whichever color you like. Height 100, width is 100%. Display, we will also use the grid system as well here, and we will place the items in the center position. So after doing this, guys, we will also add a scroll bar to our live chat window. So in order to use this, we will use WebKit scroll bar. We will provide the width of the scroll bar to be 6 pixel, height to be 4 pixel, and the background color we will say it is 272 82F. So now you can see that. After this, guys, what we need to say, WebKit scroll bar thumbnail, and inside this we also need to change the cursor to pointer, and then the background to also this color, which is F0F0FB, and border radius we need to change it to 30 pixel. So now you can see that this is our icon here. You can now see we have two options. If I click this report block, so we need to style this first of all. So after this, guys, now we will target the live chat window. So we have given this class which is CGL live chat. So basically here we will give a max width of 550 pixel, And here you will now target CGL live chat wrapper. So here guys, we will first of all change the background color to this color, which is 141921, and we will also giving a border of 8 pixel solid 14921, and also we will change the box sizing to border box. So first of all, let me target this image guys. We need to style this image so it is not look good. So chat wrapper, inside this we have this image. So first of all, we will provide a fixed width which is 40 pixel, height of 40 pixel. So now it is styling. You can now see it is very, you can see now it is looking very good. And also we need to change it border radius to 50% to make it round in a circle. 50%. Now you can see it is in round shape. You can now see. And also guys, we need to now also uh, target the title of the chat here, which is YouTube live chat. So we need to add some styling to it. CGL live chat wrapper, and here we will target chat title. First of all, we will change the color to be this color, which is 9 FAD C5. So now you can see YouTube live chat. We also need to give padding 10 pixel. Font family, we will change it to Hind Madurai. This is the font. So now it has changed this. We will font style will be normal. Font size will be around 20 pixel, and line height also. Let me provide line height to be also 28 pixel. And that's it. This is the styling that we have given to the title. Now we need to come to the next section, which is the actual chat view section. So here again, CGL live chat wrapper, and this is the class here, chat view. And here guys, we need to first of all change the background color to this color 11151A hexadecimal color. So now it has a black background color. We will change the display to flex. So flex direction to column. So we will display all the elements in the column wise manner. So minimum height we will say is needs to be 400 pixel. So now you can see it has got some height as well. And now see a maximum height is also 400 pixel. Overflow Y we will say to auto. So now it will be styled. And now we will be also be targeting the chat item class here. So wherever actual message is written, chat wrapper and chat item. So here guys, you will be giving padding of 5 pixels. So now it will have some space here like this. And basically we will have the center name. We will style the center name. So .cgl live chat wrapper chat view, and we will now target sender name anchor tag. So inside this we will change the font family to again Hind Madurai. Font style to normal. Font weight to bold. So font size to 14 pixel. Line height to 14 pixel. So now you can see. Also, we need to change the text color to this color, guys, which is color. So this is AD. This is a color, grayish color. So now you can see it is successfully styled here. So now basically when we hover onto this, what we need to say, this is the selector here. We are adding a pseudo class to it. You can now see. So we need to change its color to white, and font we need to change it to bold. So now what we'll see, if I highlight this, you will now see its color changes to white. So this is exactly the behavior that we want here. So in the meantime, guys, if you have any sort of questions related to this live chat, please ask in the comment section. Please hit the like button as well. I'm seeing that very few people have hit the like button. The target like for the live stream will be 50 likes, so I am just doing a hard work. You need to appreciate the hard work. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So now guys, the next section comes here, which is the admin tag. So here we will be giving targeting here .cgl live chat wrapper, and chat view, and admin tag we will target, and inside this there will be a anchor element. So here we will be changing the background color to this color, which is 4368 EA, and this needs to be important. So now you can see, and also we need to change the color to white, and this needs to be important. And also we need to give it a border radius of 9 pixel. I think we haven't given this admin class to this one. So let me show you what will happen if I do give this class padding to 0.8 pixel. So let me make my user as admin user. As you all know, admin user is a special user with special privileges. It has all the control of the application. So this is a class we need to give here in admin tag. So if I open this my chat.html, we need to give this special class, special status to this user. uh, Inside our chat item you can give this admin tag. If I attach this class here, so now you will see this will changes to this here. This is the admin tag. So basically whenever you see this background color attached to a particular user, YouTube has also this functionality. You can make someone as a moderator or admin section inside YouTube. So that is exactly is the concept. You can highlight your users with a special background color, special badges, all that stuff that you see inside YouTube. So that's exactly the concept, like this. So this is the admin tag, guys, that we have attached here, admin tag class. So you can change the background color, any color you can give here, red color, blue color, any color. Then we will come to the actual time, guys, time of the message. So here we will again target CGL, live chat wrapper, and chat view, and then the actual chat time, where the chat was published in which date and time. First of all, we will change the font family to Hind Madurai. We will change the font style to normal. We will change the color to this color, which is 585 C61. This is a color, grayish color. This is the color you can see here, 954. Font size we will change it to 12 pixel, and the font weight 500, and then we will be giving padding from the left position will be 8 pixel. Line height we will also give is 11 pixel. Padding from the right we will give as 8 pixel. So that's it. So now we have successfully styled the time as well. Now comes the second, which is the icon. You can see this is the icon that you can see here. Again, CGO, chat wrapper, chat view, chat time, I. This is icon. So basically, we will not display the icon. So display to none. So icon is not displaying, and now we will target the actual text which is written here, guys. You can now see, you cannot see the text here, so we need to make sure that we can see the text here. So we will simply say CGL live chat, chat wrapper, chat view, actual text here which is written here, chat text. So here we will change the color to this color, which is 9FAD C5. So now you can see the actual text which is written, and font family Hind Madhurani. Font style we will change it to normal. Font size it will be around 14 pixel. Font weight to be lighter this time. Line height we will give around 17 pixel. Padding of 3 pixel like this. So now you can see that, guys, it is successfully styled here. So this also needs to give it a background color, guys. So we need to simply say CGL live chat, chat wrapper, chat message. We need to give it a background color of 23272D. This is the background color. So now it has a black background color and a padding of 6 pixel. You can see here. So now we will style this icon, guys, that you see right here. So for styling this icon, we will simply say CGL live chat, chat wrapper, and inside chat message section we have this button. First of all, we need to change this background color to transparent, so it will not have a background color. We need to remove the border to none. Outline we also need to remove it. Let me see if it is. This is a button that we are targeting. Let me paste it once again. If you inspect element, you will find out which class we have given to it. I think this is the element that we are targeting here. I think it's a drop down button. Yeah, I think, yeah, this one. Exactly. So now we need to class style this drop down button that you see here. I think we have given this class, which we have inside chat.html. If you cross check, uh, Yeah, this is the class we have given here, drop down button. So we are just targeting this class here. So now first of all guys, we need to first of all change its background color to transparent, so it will have no background color. So now it is removed, and then we also need to change its text color of the icon 585C61, the grayish color. And we also need to remove the border, which is this one, border to none, and also outline none, and this should be important. So now you can see it is also styled here. So now you can see the chat message is looking quite good, and now we need to add the responsiveness here. So if you do like this, you can now see this is not looking good. So for the responsiveness, we will write media queries for this on mobile phones. So at the rate media, and here we will say maximum width 450 pixels. So basically this is for mobile devices. So here once again we will target the live chat wrapper and chat view section, and basically we'll put the max height section to be 300 pixels. So somewhat low height here like this. And also CGL live chat wrapper chat view image. So we need to again width 30 pixel, height to be 30 pixel. So this will make sure the image looks again smaller. You can change it, suppose 130, the width size you can now see. So this only applies to the devices which are small. So you can see that the breakpoint occurs here like this. So that's exactly we are writing for mobile phones. So that's why you are seeing 30 pixel here. So once again, now we will target the sender name, which is coding Shiksha. So CGL live chat wrapper, and chat view, uh, sender name, anchor tag. So here we will increase the font size 10 pixel, and line height we will decrease it to 10 pixel. So this will just look smaller inside mobile phones. Then we also need to style this time here, that is here CGL live chat wrapper, and chat view, chat time. So for this guys, you will change the font weight to 500, somewhat lower. Font size we also need to change to 10 pixel, and line height, which is around about 10 pixel, and padding from the left to 8, and also padding from the right, you need to say 8 pixel. Somewhat it will look smaller here, you can now see on the mobile phone. Now if you elongate, it will look bigger. So it is adding some kind of a responsiveness on multiple devices. So this is the power of media queries. Then actual text which is written here. So once again we will target CGL, live chat wrapper, and chat view, chat text. So font size we will increase it to 12 pixel, decrease the font size decrease, line height to also 12 pixel, and padding to 3 pixel. So now you can see that it is even looking. So this is complete guys. So now inside your drop down item, when we hover onto this, basically we will now see, basically when I click this, it is not looking good in any of the devices. So we need to change this behavior, something like this. If I do this, we need to have this proper background color and these hover backgrounds colors as well. So now to do this, it's very easy. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So now to do this guy, it's very easy. So first of all, we will change, yeah, we will first of all target this, we will come out of this media query, and CGL live chat wrapper, and chat sorry, this is a class here, drop down menu. Drop down menu. So basically, if you see here, if you inspect element, you will find out whichever class we have given. This is a drop down item, actual drop down item. Inside this, we are targeting this class here, which is drop down menu. So here we are writing the styles here, you will see that. So in styles, you can even write CSS here also, just to do that. Totally up to you. So here inside this class, guys, we just need to change its background color to any color, you can say. You can also change it to red, totally up to you. You can now say change this to red, but we will define this hexadecimal color, which is 141921. This is a black color. You can now see it has changed to black color. The next thing we need to do, we need to remove this blue background color which is there. So CGL live chat wrapper, and inside drop down menu we have this class of each of the drop down items have this class which is drop down item dash item. So inside this drop down item, guys, we need to first of all change the color of the drop down item to this color, which is 9FADC5. And the font family, we need to change it to Hint Madurai. Font style, we need to change it to normal. And the font weight is need to be changed to 300. So now you can see that 9F, sorry, this color we have written wrongly, 9FADC5. This is a color, DC5. Yeah, this is a color. So when we hover onto this, guys, so we need to attach a pseudo class to it. So basically, whenever we need to change its background color. So basically, why its background color doesn't change? I think somewhat wrong is there. Let me refresh it. Why this blue color is still there? Let me inspect element. This is a drop down item. I think what we need to say is that this is, oh, I think we have attached this admin tag here. That's the problem. So we need to remove it. So inside this chat item here, we need to remove this. So now if you remove this admin tag, guys, so now this will no longer come here, you can see. So that's why it was coming this blue color. We have attached that admin class that earlier was giving that blue background color. So now that's okay here. You can now see, guys, you can see when you hover onto this, you get this nice little effect here of background color. So now we have constructed one chat message UI. We have styled the logo of the message, logo of the channel. This is the username, this is time, this is the actual content, this is the drop down menu. You can report block it. So this is also complete. So after this, guys, we just need to require a simple input field where we can write messages. So right here we will go to our HTML, right here, chat.html. So right here inside your HTML, you just need to require, so there will be a simple input field, guys, which is basically, if you see here, let me show you. So let me just minimize this. So right here inside the structure of our HTML, we have given this chat item here. You can now see. So if you see here, this is now over. So now we come to the next section, which is actual input field. So div, we will attach this class of chat message. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So inside this we will have a simple form element, so action will not work. So this form will not work, you will not be able to send messages to the chat, but still I will show you the input field, how to construct this. So we will have a div, we will have a input group class, and inside this we will align items center. This is again a class we need to give. Align items center. So here guys we will have a simple input field of type text. Simple input field. So we will attach a bootstrap class of form control like this. And placeholder we will simply say type something like this. Every input field that you see inside live chat you see type something. You can also customize this also accordingly. Also make it for required validation. Just HTML5 form validation. So after this guys, so we will have a simple button to submit the live chat message. So input group append, and inside this guys we will need to show a simple button where the user can click and submit its message. So inside this button, so button type will be button, and we need to give it an ID of button add-on 2. And here we will show a simple image to the button. It is stored inside assets folder image send button svg. So basically if I now refresh it, so basically now you will find out that there is a input field out there. You can now type something, and there is simple little button out there which lets you type this message. If you click it, obviously it will not work. We will just style this using CSS. So now we will side by side do the process. So go to the style.css here and simply write the styles here. Very simple interface, I like it very much. So now basically we will target this, first of all this input field. You can see we will say again CGL live chat, chat wrapper, and chat message input. So inside this input field guys, first of all we need to change its background color to transparent. So we don't need to show any background color. So now it has changed to background here. You can now transparent. Placeholder is saying type something. So this is very important property, background color to transparent. Then we need to show border none. We need to remove its border and it needs to be important. So now it has not have a border here. You can also. Also we need to change the font family to Hind Madurai, and font style we will change it to normal, and font weight 300, and also color of the text we will change it to this color which is 5856C61. This is a color, and outline we will remove it, none important, and also font style as we have given it font size 16 pixel. That's it. So now this is complete guys. If you now type something here, you can see that. If you are typing white here, I think white looking great here. It needs to be bright. Now white is good. You can change it to white. And then we will target this button guys. So first of all, this is CGL live chat, chat wrapper, chat message, and the button. First of all, remove the background color to transparent, like the transparent you can now see. Remove the border, remove the outline. Simple stuff. That's it. That's all that you need to do. So this completes your application. So Yeah, I think this completes the application. Yes, so we have written all the styles. We just need to, uh, I need to show you the functionality of pinning the message of one user here. So basically, if you see here, admin tag, chat item, chat view, chat title. Yes. So one thing is remaining. I need to show you. So we need to paste a couple of messages here inside our HTML. So all such messages will be having the same class, which is chat item. So basically, let me paste it for the second time here. So let me repeat it 3-4 times, this chat messages. Obviously, these will be coming from a database, real-time database. So now if you do this, you will now see a simple scroll bar happening here. You need you you will be able to scroll all down all the messages that will be there. This is a text field. Here you can write your message. So now you can see that the scroll bar is not looking good. So let me style the scroll bar. If you see here, chat. Let me see. This is WebKit scroll bar. WebKit scroll bar. Let me paste it once again. So inside style.css, we have written the source code for scroll bar. If you paste it now you can see I was just happening a little bit mistake here. So WebKit scroll bar, so width 6 pixel, height 4 pixel. This is a background color. You can change it to red as well. Totally depend upon you, whichever color that you want to use. So you can now see it can even have red background color matching to the YouTube theme. So now you can see that. So now, but basically, guys, I will be showing you how to pin a message here, something like this inside this. You can now see. Basically, if I scroll down, if I now want to pin a message, if someone has given me money, a super chat, I need to highlight their messages by this blue border, and when I scroll them, this message will be staying it right here. This will be a sticky message. So what I need to do is that we need to add a special class to it. So to the message. So inside chat view section here, if you see, this is your interface, chat view. If you see the CSS, we need to add a special class to it, which is this class, which let me show you. I think this one, chat pinned. So if you want to pin a message, we need to add this class. So basically, just add this class, chat pinned, like this. And now basically, we need to write the style sheet for this. So if you see here, so go to style.css, and now basically we will write the style sheet for this. So again we will say .cgl live chat wrapper, uh, chat view, and inside this we have chat pinned. If I see here, I have given this class here, chat, chat, yeah, chat pinned here. Here you need to give it chat. Yeah, yeah. It's yeah, chat view after this chat pinned here. So now we need to highlight this. So style.css. So here you need to give it a simple border. You can give any border, any color here. 2 pixels solid. You can even change it to red as well. So now you will now see this chat message will have this red color. You can see that. Let me highlight the first message that we printed out so that we can clearly see. Let me remove this class from here. Uh, Let me remove this chat pin from here. To let me pin the first message in the chat. This one, chat pinned. That's it. So now you can see uh, this has the red background color attached to it. So now we need to stick it. So when I scroll it, we need to show. So this message needs to stay right here at the top. The position needs to be fixed. So what we can do is that, first of all, box sizing, we can make the position to be sticky. This will make the position to be sticky, guys. So what will happen now? This will, as I scroll, it will not stay at the top. You need to add some properties to it. Box sizing, border box. Also, we need to add position. This will for various other browsers. WebKit sticky, and we need to put top to 0. This is the main property, top to 0. So now you can see, and you can see that it is just colliding with the background stuff out there. So now to fix this, it's very easy. You need to change this background color. Either you can change it to transparent. Let me change it to transparent. It will not work. We need to change it to the same background color which we have given, 11151A. So now you can see it is now, you can now see it, you can clearly see this message as you scroll down. So this is the concept of super chat. So someone sends you super chat in YouTube live chat, their message stays at the very top for some considerable amount of time. So this is a concept that they use, and you can change the background color to whatever color here. So 2 pixel solid, which is 7389DC. So this is, you can see that now it is looking good here, matching with the theme. So you can now see, so we have built all this thing, guys. YouTube live chat clone user interface with all these super little functionalities, which is the super chat, highlighting the admin section as well. So if you want to now highlight, add this class admin tag as well with the, now you can see this is the admin class which has this background color, and this is highlighted message. So obviously this is a fully fleshed, not a fully fleshed YouTube live chat. You obviously need to connect it with the database to fetch all the messages. So later on I will connect with the database. So I will be making a future live stream where we will be connecting this super little user interface to the database to make a fully fleshed application. I think one mistake is there. There is needs to be full width here. So I have we need to give it a, let me see if I, in the style.css, CGL live chat, let me again copy paste it. The thing is that the size, the width that you see here inside the mobile, sorry, PC, it is looking quite thin here, but in the real one it is looking wide. So I think we have made typing mistakes. So let me paste it to the CSS once again. So now you can see it is wide here. You can now see. Sorry, if I refresh it. Uh, I think guys it is related to the HTML. The CSS is correct. CSS is correct, but in the HTML section here I have made I have not provided any class here. Some class will be missing, so that's why it is creating that problem. So let me paste it at HTML. I found this user interface to be quite likely here. So if you now open this with live server, so now you can see that. You can see all these classes are being shown here. So this is the YouTube live chat UI clone guys we have constructed. You can now see. So if you have any sort of doubt related to this application, you can ask in the comment section. So if you're watching it for the very first time guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So this was YouTube live chat clone that we have constructed with super chat messages. If the user sends super chat messages, the user can highlight the message. Please subscribe the channel as well. I see people not subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button that is there. This is the bell icon as well. Subscribe the channel. Some questions. Let me. Hello, sir. Zoom fake participant tutorial, please. I will make that. Hello, sir. Please make a question and answer website in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, I will make it. Why can't I understand the code I write yesterday? Which code? Which code you are talking about? It's a very good chatting application that guys we have constructed. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. I see many people not hitting the like button, so please hit that like button. So if you want the full source code guys of this application, let me give that source code. So get the full source code. So let me give that source code to you. So this is my blog post. So if you just click that. So you can go to that. So I have pinned this message in the chat. We can go to it. I am replying. Uh, the stream will be playing until each and every person is watching. So I am replying to all the messages. So please, I'm tired now right now. Please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. This is a live stream channel. This is a programming channel which allows I will upload daily programming related videos and web development videos. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button. If you're coming from suggested videos or browse features, basically it's a very good live streaming channel. I will upload quality videos to you. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So if you're joining it for the very first time, 13 likes, only 13 likes, guys, the target live stream. Please hit that like button and reach up to 50 likes. Only 13 likes, it's very low likes that you're giving right now. Please hit that like button and subscribe the channel as well. Let me start a poll. Have you hit like and subscribe? Please hit, please do. I'm doing hard work. Let me put a yes or no. So you can participate inside this poll, guys. You can just tell me if you have hit this like and subscribe or not. That way I will particularly know that have you hit the like and subscribe or not.
15 दिन तो आपके पास में हो ही जाएंगे। आज कितने हो गए, 7 हो गए, शुरू हो गए, 10 हो, आज 8 हो गए, 6 हो गई, कल 7 हो गई, 9 दिन में क्या करेगा? मैं वही तो कह रही हूँ ना, वही तो कह रही हूँ, बात बात है करने का मेरा कोई कर सकता है। मेरे बात बात से मैं भी बोल सकती हूँ, तो बात नहीं बने वो बात अलग है। मतलब तेरा तेरा ये है कि तुम्हें हमारे काम नहीं करना, फाइनल भी हो जाएगा। हाँ, पर सीधी बात हम क्लियर है, मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मैं आज का ऊपर खाली काम कर ऐसे करूँगा, ऐसे तो बस वो बताओ किसी से करो, मैं तो आज तो इनको फोन करके बोलने की बात तो हमारे जानकार है ना, हमारे रिश्तेदार है। हाँ, तो ठीक है, नहीं करना कोई बात नहीं। क्या वो बीच में करना